Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm been installing my innovative motor mounts. These are 60A, so these are pretty much the street version. I bought these used because I don't know, I just came up on these just for temporary. I was gonna buy a whole set of new ones, but I'm trying to save money right now, so yeah, I just took out the driver's side right now. But yeah, this one's pretty worn out, or this one's shot, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. Bracket outside. I honestly didn't have to do this, but I wanted to check with my D10 springs if they're loose or not. But yeah, I wanted to update you guys. If you guys are asking about my car is on jack stands again, I actually, when I put this side on, the wheel bearing decided to give out. I'll insert a clip right now. Yeah, that was pretty bad. The rotor, there's only one screw. I guess that one screw kind of backed out for a while, and that caused that little, the shakiness of the wheel. I almost died on that day. I'm thankful God was with me that day, but yeah, I was on my way to alignment shop, and that happened. Yeah, I actually ordered a pair of the bearings and the hubs itself, so that's gonna be coming in. Well, I already have it, it's in my room, but I gotta uninstall it soon. But that'll happen another day. I'll probably just put these motor mounts today if I can. My agenda is just to put the driver's side for now, but yeah, let me get back to work. Just today, guys, here's what I got so far. I got the driver's side motor mount installed. This was a pain because, bro, this thing right here, this bolt right here, is a pain to get it centered, because the motor's slanted, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, my bad if I didn't include me installing it. I just wanted to get stuff done. I'll probably continue this tomorrow. I'm probably gonna put the rear motor mount and the passenger side motor mount tomorrow, or whenever I can. But I did what I could today, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, this is the third day of this install. Sorry if I haven't included any videos of me installing it. I just been trying to get stuff done. But yeah, this is the passenger side motor mount done. It was pretty easy. I've done this before. It's just that this bolt right here, I'm pointing it right now. It's kind of stripped because when I first took my motor mount out, I had a bad angle and I had the correct tools for it. But what I suggest you guys doing is get this, I think it's a Crow hex, or I forgot what it's called. Something Crow, whatever, Crow tool, whatever. That it's an adjustable wrench, I guess. But use that on that. It should be okay. I sprayed PB blast on that shit before I did anything. But yeah, no, now all I gotta do is put the rear motor mount on, and it should be set. Okay, we are down here out of the subframe, trying to take the rear mount out. I already took off the lower one right here, but I'm on the process of taking this one out, and I think this one up here, I think. Fine, got this bitch out. Let me show you guys how clap it is. This shit is clap, boy. So basically what me and Hugh did, we just DIY, it's a cheap way to stiffen up your motor mounts. You use silicone it, but I wouldn't recommend. Seems like these are okay, but 40 bucks OBO. I'm just playing. Oh yep, got the new motor mount in. You can't even see it, but yeah, I had to move the cat out of the way just to get that little bolt out, the 17 mil, I think. And yeah, it should be, if you're doing this, it should be easy. Just take your time. Yeah, honestly, that's my only advice. Just take your time. But I won't be able to give you guys a review yet until I repress in my my new bearings. That's gonna be tomorrow. I'll probably continue the video tomorrow too. This video will be all over the place. I apologize for that, but I just been doing everything I can, the whole overhaul with the motor mounts, the bearings, the sway bar inlays, everything. So this kind of be feeling way better than before. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm at Hugh's place. All right, we in the daily. I'm actually gonna head to Hugh's place right now to go get my stuff done, get everything pressed in from the hubs and everything. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at Hugh's place. All right, got the Hugh's house. Currently playing my old exhaust on this RSX right now, my Nvidia one. We're gonna see how it sounds like. Sounds good though. That's the point. Yeah, that's big though.
Pretty quiet.
Is that what you wanted though?
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
But I mean, now you don't want to get too much back pressure now. Alright, we just got back from Harbor Freight, getting the tool for us. But yeah, we're in the process of putting everything back in. We're trying to make it to that meet right here.
Hell yeah. First meet of the year.
I don't know if we can make it, but we'll make it. We'll try to make it.
Okay. Don't let it, just slid it in there. Slid it in there. Don't let it, yeah. Oh, move your hand, move your hand. Okay, good. Yeah. Huh?
The bearing was about to give out, huh?
Yeah, it's getting there, see?
Oh yeah.
It's about done too. That's
I was getting lazy.
That's why I was like, nah. You sure, dude? I mean, that shit's like getting there, bro.
Look, I felt it. I was like, there's no point. But I was like,
no. See that fucking O-ring?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. No.
All right, I'll get to you guys whenever it's done. All right, we are done with the new bearings. Packing it right now, trying to make it to the meet. But yeah, we finally did this shit successfully. No more, you know, messed up bearings. So, trying to pack it right now. I'll see you guys at the crib. And we're back home. Sorry for the turbo right now. I'm just over it. But yeah, the car's back on its feet, or back on the road, I should say. The only minor thing is this side has more camber than the other side. But it's fine though. I'm gonna get alignment regardless. But yeah, the new motor mounts feel great. I took it around the block, and they vibrate like a little bit. These are the 60A versions, so they're like a step above OEM pretty much. But yeah, I'll probably give you guys a review like a couple of days or whenever I pick up the camera again. I don't plan on going anywhere anytime soon, so that's probably when I'll, you know, review the motor mounts for you guys. But yeah, I'm happy the car's back on the road now. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a couple of days or something. All right, this is the next day or whatever. My nephew's right here, ready for a ride.
Yep.
But I'm gonna show you guys how much the motor shakes with the new mounts now. So yeah, I'm gonna start the car. I'm pretty sure it shook a little bit. I don't know. I'll see in the video, but pretty fun, boys. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a point of view driving. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the road. All right, just to show you guys like the vibrations of the cars. It's pretty vibrating. Maybe it's just breaking in still, but yeah, for sure I'm hop on the road now. So yeah, see you guys on the road. All right, y'all, we just got done taking pictures. Well, let me show you guys the view real quick. Be right back with me. Let me show you guys the view. That's a little spot right here. That's clean. Yeah, I'm happy to have this car back on the road. I'm gonna give you guys like a little review of the motor mounts. Not too big with the motor mounts, but just give you that little something if you want to upgrade your motor mounts to better than OEM or inserts. So yeah, I'm gonna head back home because I forgot to record on the way here, but oh well.
Alright, is that home? As you guys can hear, like, it vibrates a lot. That view looks dope. You see Matthew? You see the view? It's kind of delay on my screen, but it's better than before. But hopefully the wind isn't that bad, because I do have my windows open. It's pretty hot today. But yeah, this car is finally back on the road. Has new bearings and wheel bearing and hubs. Has new energy suspension, tie rod end links. That's basically what I did, and then motor mounts too. So I'm about to review for you guys. But so far for the motor mounts, I love them. Compared to OEM, these are way better, because my OEM one was clap. But this car picks up way better though, because the torque you have, like the motor not moving anymore. But I don't know. I think it's still breaking in, so that's why it's vibrating a lot, like when it's idling. But if you guys are interested in picking up the 60A, I definitely would say you should do it, just because it's a bit like above the OEM. If you guys are really like that, like tedious, like the vibrations, just stick with OEM then. But I feel like the 60A is perfect if you're just, you know, trying to upgrade from OEM. The vibration isn't that bad in my opinion, but these are temporary. I plan on keeping this until I save enough money for like just different ones. But yeah. This car, I can never do full pulls anymore. But yeah, man, if you're trying to upgrade your motor mounts, definitely do it for a CCA. It's like a street version, so it's like a step above OEM. So if you have the money to do it, just do it. But if you really want to do the race spec, just get the stiffy ones. I think the 85 or I forget what specs they are, but I wouldn't mind trying the stiffy ones, but I think that'll ruin like dayability, I guess, if that's a word. But I guess that's my review. I can't really say much. You guys have to try it out yourself. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is long overdue. My car has sat for what, 2 weeks? Just because it's fucking wheel bearing. But yeah, I'm in the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Peace.